What's up guys, I actually made transparent soap base from scratch to finish, so I want to teach you guys how to make it yourself. Over here are my ingredients. I'll be showing you my ingredients, measurements, and the formulations. That's a step-by-step process on how to make this. You can see I'm displaying them with their measurements. This is my coconut oil and this is my castor oil. I will add my stearic acid, then put it on fire until the stearic acid melts. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to also melt my sugar. So I will also put it on fire until the sugar melts. When the sugar melts, I will bring it down from fire and I will go straight into the production process. You can see I've added my caustic soda. I'm stirring it. Once it gets to a very thick trace, I'm going to add my ethanol and I will stir. Once I'm done stirring it, I will now cover with a nylon, then cover the jug and place it on a double boiling method. After 25 minutes, I will check it, add my glycerin. Then after 5 minutes again, I'm going to add my sugar water and I will stir, then pour it into my soap mold. I'll leave this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is my transparent soap. You can see how lovely this looks like. Don't forget to follow me so you'll be updated by my newest videos. See you all next time and goodbye.